Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another topic related to Cobol, where we will see how we can create name condition in order to use it with if statements. If you remember, in our previous session, we discussed about various types of if statement conditions like relational condition, right, sign condition. In the same manner, today we are going to discuss about name condition. Now, what is name condition? You can see, you can say it is a user-defined condition. Okay, so whenever, as per the logic, if user defines some condition, then that condition you can consider as a name condition. So in this particular session, we are going to discuss how we can create name condition, how it works, and also we will cover one example through which you will be able to understand. Okay, so this is the process, and through this we can achieve this particular task. Okay. Fine. So here I have already created one program with the name test PGM. So I'm going to take option 2 over it, and then we one by one we will discuss over each and every line mentioned in the program. So first thing in the program is identification division. Now what is identification division? It's a division which provide information related to program identity. For example, you can see here program ID is indicating the program name, which is test PGM. Then we have author, which is indicating the author name who has written this program. Okay, so this entire block is known as identification division. Now if you don't know what about the basic of this thing, like what is division, why we are writing this, why we have kept this line as blank, then I would recommend you to go and check out the previous session, because there we have already discussed all these basic stuffs initially. So these all sessions are in a proper sequence, so I request you to go and check out the entire playlist from first to continuation, so that you can easily understand the ongoing topic, because for now we are just focusing on the conditional part. Okay, conditional statement. Fine. So I'm assuming you know about the basic thing like identification division, why we divide, data division, and all these things. Okay, fine. Then after this, from line number 6 to line number 7, these are the commented line, where we have just kept the title of the session, if condition statement, condition name statement, name condition. Okay. Below to this, we have initiated the data division, and under data division, we are declaring the working storage section in order to declare variables. Now, whenever we want to declare any variable, we always kept it under working storage section. And if you remember in like previous sessions also, we have declared various variable, but please focus here, like we are not going to use the same pattern. This time we are declaring the variables in different way. So those who know about the variable declaration part, please attention here, because here we are just not declaring the variable simply. Instead of that, we are also including or taking a reference from particular variable. So let's discuss how to do this. So I just kept here working storage section, and then I declared my first variable, which is 0, which is divided into 5 parts, right? We know that when we declare the variable, it divides into 5 parts. What are the parts? First one, 01, is indicating the level number. Then we have data name. Data name means whenever we want to access this variable in a program, we will use the variable name age. Then we have PIC. PIC means picture clause. It is denoting picture class. Then we have decided the data type, which is 9, means numeric, and the maximum value would be 3. So it will hold up to maximum of 3 values. Okay, numeric 3 values. Then we have value clause. Value clause means value clause is mainly it's a optional clause, but it in this episode or in this session we need it. Why? Because through this only we are assigning the values to this variable. Okay, so let's assign the value as for example 19. Okay, so we just assign the value as 19. Now below to this, if you can see, we have declared another things, but it is not a separate variable, right? You can see there we are not using the picture clause again. Instead of that, we are taking a reference from the above variable. How? Using 88. So what is 88? It's a level number. In short, you can say we are just taking the reference of the above variable, because it comes under the 01 level number 88. Okay, then we have passed the condition name as not the condition, I would say the pass the data name. Then we have set the values. values are 18 through 100. So what does this line means? This line means whenever the value for which value? Age value, because we are taking a reference using 88. So whenever the value of age are between 18 to 100, then it means it's a pass. Clear? Whenever the age value is between 18 to 100, then it means it is a pass condition. Otherwise, second condition, same process, 88 for reference, then we have fail, and then values are from 1 to 17. Whenever value is 1 through 17, that means the value is fail. Again, it is taking a reference from age. Clear? So mainly we have added two sub variables, you can say, as pass and fail, which means whenever the value of age is in between the 18 or 100 is considered as a pass, or whenever the value of the age variable is in between the 1 to 17, then it will be considered as a fail. So till now what we have discussed, we have just declared one variable and we have subdivided into two condition, pass and fail, with specific condition. Like, it is always not mandatory to keep these numbers, you can change as per your need. For example, let's say if I want to make it as 50 to 100, so I can make it 50, no problem in it. Okay, but for now I just kept it like this so that I can show you like age is above 18 or age is below 18. So once you are done with the variable declaration, then we have initiated the procedure division, and we know the basic thing like procedure division we always use whenever we want to what we can say, whenever we want to initiate the logical part, right, main logic part. So I just kept like this. Then we are checking for the condition, and the good thing here is we are not using age variable name, instead we are directly using the condition, the variable sub variable name. So if pass, then display age is above 18, and if. Okay, now this pass will be true only when the age of the variable is greater is through when the age of the variable is 18 through 100. So then only it will be considered as a true, and this, this line will get printed, display age is above 18. Okay, display is a command and age is above 18 will be your text. Same manner we are checking for fail. If fail, then display age is below 18. Now some of you might be thinking like, why we are not using else condition here. Yes, you can use else condition, but here I want to show you both the things, right, pass and fail. That's why I kept it differently, but it is up to you like how you are going to manage it for your conditions. But I use both the things, if pass and if fails, if fail. Okay, so for now just look at the value. What value we have stored here? 19. So it will check for pass. Is it pass? If your values lie between 18 to 100, yes, it lies between 18 to 100, 19, so it will be considered as a pass. So this condition become true and the output would be age is above 18. All right, now second thing is fail. So is it fail condition? Let's check. If the value lies between 1 to 17, no, it is not lying between 1 to 17 because the value is 19, so this condition is failed. In case of failed condition, it will not go. Don't get confused between fail and fail condition. Fail means if is failed, and this fail is checking for the value. Okay, so we know that if condition will be executed only if that statement is true. So this statement is not true, right? So in that case it will simply go to end if, and then program will be ended by stop run. Clear? So let's compile and see the output of this program. So you can see age is above 18 and then it print nothing. All right, fine. So let's try with some other example. Let's make it as 16, and in that case it should not print the first statement, it should print the second statement. Calling again, you can see age is below 18, which is correct because this time the age is 16, and which lies in the fail condition, this part 1 to 17. Okay, all right. Now some of you might be thinking, what will happen if we pass value which is not satisfying both the condition, neither pass nor fail. So in that case, let me make it as 263 213, Let's compile it and see the output again. So in this condition it will fail, both the if statement is failed, so that means it is not printing anything, right? Because neither 213 is lies under pass values, nor it lies between the fail values, and that's why this condition got failed, this condition got failed, and program directly go to the stop prompt. Now in such situation you can maybe add else condition to uh, put some generic message. So these things you can do by your own, right? But the main concept we have already discussed, like how we can make a pass and fail condition, or it is up to you like how you want to give it a name, how you want to decide your value. But the thing is that we are taking a reference from this variable, okay, and then you can use it inside a if. So this is called the name condition of a COBOL program. I hope this session is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.